Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It is Wednesday, 9/11/24. Well, folks, you can see the markets had a phenomenal, one of the better afternoon and midday rallies I've seen in a long time. More than 600 points reversal on the NDX, about 130 on the S&P, maybe 150 actually. So it's pretty amazing. Anyway, strong close. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But for now, looking at some of the stocks that are active and we're involved with and are swing trading, look at AAOI jumping another 4.2%, but more importantly, it seems to be about to come out of this consolidation in a 1, 2, 3 wave fork wedge. By target now 16.5. APDN may be coming out of that wedge after the explosive move it had here that took it up tenfold. Today's volume was 36 million, and if it has any kind of follow through above today's high, we get this above $2, and it could be 3, 4, and 5. ASTS swing trade, which has been consolidating for like a month now, seems to be moving off the trend line and moving averages the lateral price support. If we do have an extension in the market, I believe this could be a $42 stock at some point. CHWY, with a V bottom and right-handed extension, now popping back up towards resistance. Should we get past the recent high of 30.62, we look for 32.5 and 36. CRMD popped out today. I put a swing on it. I went through a double top area, and it looks like it's headed higher, targeting 8 and 9. Csiq and the Solar Group came out of a falling wedge, went through 2 declining top lines and moving averages. And right now, the target would be to get through up and through 15. And once you do that, through there, I'd be looking for 17, 18. EXAS popped, reversed out of a wedge today, and went from 56 and change to 65 and change, 9 points. Finished at the upper end of the range, was up 578, about 10% today. Follow through targets are 70 and 78. FLNC popped through a neckline of an inverse head and shoulders and out of a wedge. I put a swing on it today. I like the look of this. Finished near 21, up 207. My targets now are 24 and 26.5, 7. First Solar with a big day up 30 points, 31.77 to be exact, and right up against resistance. We're going to watch this carefully because if we break through here, we're breaking out of that base and maybe headed then to 265 and 285. NNE snapping back now for the third day in a row. What I'd be looking for is a move up towards 13.5 3/4 to test the declining moving average and lateral price resistance. We get through that. Your next target is 16 3/4. OSCR popped through a big multi-week base pattern in a long-term rising channel. I now believe we're going to be getting back up towards 23 and eventually high 20s, low 30s. PCT with a big reversal off multiple bottoms here, and it spiked from 468 to 699, finishing 677 up 208, 10.3 million, which is the biggest volume we've seen in a year. This could be due for a retest of the recent high. That target is 8. Children's Place with a monster explosive type move, 95% on 74 million shares. The kind of volume you see coming off of a big declining pattern. Now we have some resistance which was tested today. We get through today's high around 1020. We're looking at 1213 or more. RAIL continues its phenomenal run of the last 4 weeks, and this thing is now gone from 3 to nearly 10, more than tripled. Today's gain was another 82 cents or 9.5%. My near-term target is 11. RMTI, after breaking out of a base and flagging, and then is now spiking up and has hit my target at 440. Today's high 430.80, so right about there. Next target is 5.5 and 6 3/4. SMMT, after a rising channel, exploded to the upside 2 days ago. Its stock continues to press higher. My 23 target is being tested right here. My next target, I believe, would be 27. VRDN broke out of a base yesterday, had a nice follow through today. I'm now looking for more upside. At some point, gets this one towards 24. VRNA, a beautiful stair-step move, pop flag, pop, pull back, and pop flag. Today, pop the flag. Now looking for 35.6, maybe more. And finally, XPEV coming out of a base, or building a big one. It's run up from 6.5 to over 9 and is at resistance here. Your next target will be a test of 10.5. Get to that, the major declining topsline comes in at about 12. That's it for tonight, everyone. Have a great evening. I'll talk to you tomorrow.